and welcome to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make $100 per day online. Now before we jump on into this video, I do want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, all of that awesome stuff, because we make incredible business making money online style related videos every single week. Nevertheless, how do you make $100 per day online? Well, in this video I'm going to be giving you 5 different ways, 5 different businesses you can start online to make $100 per day. Now here's the deal. This isn't going to be easy. You're going to have to work, and I guarantee anyone saying that you can make $100 a day online doing zero work is lying to you. Now, is this going to be as hard as going out and mining in a coal mine or being a garbage man or anything like that? Probably not. However, it is going to take time, it is going to take work, and there's probably going to be quite a few times where you're questioning if it's worth it. But as someone who has made over $100 a day online for a long time, I promise it is. You just have to keep putting in the work, keep working on it, and keep striving to get there. So, how can you do this? Well, the first thing I would personally recommend is an e-commerce store that sells a physical product online. Now, there are a few ways to structure this. You could drop ship it, which means you would basically resell someone else's product at a higher price. You might be asking, well, how can you get a higher price for it? The answer is simple, guys. That's marketing, and that's one of the biggest things about online business. You have to market. You can't be afraid to do that. Now, another way to start an e-commerce store is actually going out and sourcing the products, getting test samples, looking at them, making sure they're good, and then bringing those products to market. So basically, there's 2 ways to make money with e-commerce. 1, drop shipping. This could be anything from t-shirts to phone cases to water bottles. There are tons of things to drop ship out there. And 2, selling a product that you go out, source, find the manufacturer from, place a bulk order, do all that stuff. The downsides to drop shipping: you don't control the product. You also don't control the shipping. You don't control anything. However, with a physical product, you control the product, you control every part of the process, and your margins can be higher because there's no middleman. You always see those people online where they have like supplier or manufacturer directly to us, directly to you, right? Cut out the middleman. Well, you can't do that if you're drop shipping. Now, that's the first way to make money online, a physical product e-commerce store. What's the second way? Well, the second way is what you're looking at right now, producing content, posting it on the internet, making ad revenue back from that content. Now, there's a few different ways to do this. I do this via these YouTube videos right here on this YouTube channel, in addition to our blog, thebreakdown.xyz, which you can check out up there. I don't know which side it is, the I, as well as in the description down below. And then there are other ways to make money via producing content online. While video and text are the most common ones, you can make a podcast. That's an audio format. You could sell photos online. That's a way you're producing content and you're selling it. You could sell videos, like training videos, course style videos, all of that. You could sell that online. But basically, content production online is a great way to make money, and one of the best ways about it is there's basically zero startup costs. You can make a YouTube channel with your iPhone camera, start making videos, and over time build an empire from it. Look at people like Linus Tech Tips and Rooster Teeth. Those are people that started out with very little and over time have built huge businesses. And that's one of the things about content creation on the internet. It can explode, especially if you put in time and keep trying to make it better. You can also then take that content, promote affiliate products, do sponsorships. There's tons of ways to make money with content, and if you're interested in making money via content on YouTube, be sure to check out our free ebook, which will show you how to grow your YouTube channel. It's 100% free, it's awesome, and it'll actually take you to the point to where you're monetizing your channel and getting things going in that way. Now, moving on to number 3 is actually affiliate products. You don't have to produce content to do affiliate marketing and sell affiliate products online, but basically what affiliate products are is you sell a product. Let's take the example of something on Amazon, like a monitor on Amazon. You include an Amazon affiliate link, and when someone goes through your piece of content or goes through your link to buy that on Amazon, you then make a little bit of money back from that. The best way to do this and promote affiliate links actually goes back to our last point, producing content, because if you produce content that people want to watch, you're going to get eyes to your affiliate links to then sell products. It's not required, but it is recommended, so yeah. If you want to know more about selling affiliate products, be sure to check out the I. I need to figure out which side it is, guys. But check out the I up there, and you'll be able to go see our video on how to make money with affiliate marketing. It's also linked in the description. Moving on to number 4 here, you can sell digital products online. This is going to be courses, ebooks, ebooks. This could be the photos we mentioned earlier. See, a lot of these can kind of overlap, as well as weird stuff like video intros and video effects and things of that nature. There are tons of digital products that you can sell most of the time, and your higher margin ones are going to be things like courses, as well as ebooks and things like that that can then lead into a course. Udemy, places like that are great places to host these courses and then get some eyes in front of them and all of that stuff. But yeah, creating a course is a great way to start making some money online and really growing your income from there, because that could lead into number 5 on our list, which is consulting. Some consultants can make $10,000 or more per consulting gig. I think most online consulting probably averages around $500 to $1,000 per hour. However, if you really know your stuff and you've really seen repeatable results, you could get that $10,000 easily depending on what you're doing. Things like ad optimization, helping businesses scale from $1 million to $10 million, you're definitely worth $10,000 an hour at that point. However, if you're just a really good cook and want to kind of teach people how to cut with their knife in a consulting format, and you sit down with them on a webcam and say, okay, here's what, show me your cutting style, you cut that, you're probably worth $100 an hour. It really all just depends on what you're doing and what kind of skills you're selling via consulting. And if you say you don't have any skills, I doubt that's true. You probably know how to do something better than most other people, and that's what you're going to want to consult on. That's what you're going to want to make your course on. That's what you want to do, because there's a reason you're better at it, and it's probably because you're pretty passionate about it. Nevertheless, that's for another video. I did want to include a bonus here, and that is for online freelancing. Now, if you want to talk about skills, you're going to have a skill to do this as well. However, you can make a lot of money online via Fiverr, Upwork, things like that nature, where you're going out being hired to do a freelance project. On places like Upwork, you're probably going to be writing blog posts, developing websites, doing things of that nature. On Fiverr, you can be doing little things like editing photos, doing little code fixes on websites, simply holding up a sign with something written on it. There's tons of things you can do on Fiverr, but like I said, Fiverr is more for like quick little stuff like holding up a sign, and Upwork's for bigger deals. You can literally make thousands of dollars a gig on Upwork depending on what it is. So yeah, any relevant links, including to those to Fiverr, Upwork, all that kind of stuff is linked down below. If you've got any questions or other ideas, please post them in the comment section down below. And guys, a lot of these can come together. You can produce content to promote your e-commerce store, to promote your consulting, to promote your online course, all of that stuff. You can link consulting into producing content. You can start a successful e-commerce store, which you then teach people how to do via a course. As you can see, like I said, one thing leads to another, leads to another, leads to another if you're smart about it. So be sure to take advantage of all of these opportunities, not just one. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome online business related content. We post it every single week, and I guarantee you will enjoy it. Nevertheless, I'm Nick King. This has been The Breakdown. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm out, guys. Peace.